म्हाका विचारता एज इफ आय फिक्स द डेट.
ना
डायरेक्टर फिक्स द डेट अंडर द पंचायती राज ॲक्ट आणि पळय डायरेक्टरान ऑलरेडी स्पश्ट जबाब दिला. देर आर 60 days to decide, and meanwhile in this intervening period he has said even deemed cases where दिवपा जाय आसले लायसन्स दिवना, so they have come to know so many things. So they said we need some time, we'll settle that and then we'll fix a date.
त्यांच्या हितून
So in any case it has to be fixed within 60 days.
त्यांच्या हितून भिरांत आसा की असं स्टेट सेटिंगूय जावंक शकता म्हणटा ते.
त्यांच्याने आरोप केला की
आरोप केला.
In fact we have said do it as soon as possible. In fact I said do it before Monday.
ओके
कोणाचेर व्हिडिओचेर आरोप नाका, डायरेक्टराचेर नाका, कोणाचेर नाका.
कमिंग मंडे म्हणटा सर.
Yeah, coming Monday, but
Okay.
he told me it will need time. You will be surprised how many things were kept pending. I don't know the numbers. 3 big sets and which have already been given permission. तांकां लायसन्स दिना. अशें सुद्दां जाल्लें आसा. कोणे डॉक्युमेंट दिल्ले फूल पळोवपाक गेल्यार मिटिंगे पास केल्या दिना डीम प्रोविजन आसतना सांगप कितें डॉक्युमेंट ना म्हणून मागीर डॉक्युमेंट काडला. सो अशें खूब आसा. So let the director report to me exactly what is the problem. We have no intention of delaying. I want it done as soon as possible.
पूण खंय उरला तर ते तुमकां डिले नाका म्हणटा डायरेक्टराच्या हातीन सगळें आसा जाल्यार
because see,
एज अ
direct-
मिनिस्टर
see,
तुमचोय कंट्रोल आसता न्ही.
Don't forget that previously also Sankwal Panchayat has come under scrutiny of the court. If anything goes wrong, he will be held responsible more than anybody else. So he is being a little extra cautious. And should the government not support him if he is following the Panchayati Raj Act, if he is following the law, I should fully back him, no?
पूण सेम
आनी
पंचायत
कोणे कितें केल्लें म्हूण तेका कित्याक तो
तुळशीदास कोण म्हणटा आमी बीजेपीचे आमकां कित्याक कितले दीस
Here
धरता.
there is no BJP, here there is no some other party. Here is the question of following the Panchayati Raj Act. Here it is the question of following the law.
पण डायरेक्टर स्टेट फॉर सांगता की आपणाक टाइम ना, आय एम बिझी इन माय वर्क्स म्हणटा आमकां सांगलें तेणी.
Of course, he is busy because
But Panchayat also is
as
important,
far as
na?
Sankwal is concerned, in fact, I have asked somebody to remove the records as to how many RTI applications have been filed. The number of RTI applications that have been filed, which will be the sum total of all other panchayats, people asking for this information under RTI. So is the secretary or is the director or is the BDO going to sit with only these things? One has to think, no?
सो नेक्स्ट वीकान नोटीस काडला
होय
इलेक्शन.
नेक्स्ट वीक
This Monday.
नेक्स्ट वीक म्हणल्यार ते फायनलायज करून रिपोर्ट दितले गव्हर्मेंटाक आनी म्हाका कडेन डिस्कस करून मागीर तेणें सांगलां आपण काडटलो कित्याक आपण त्रासां पडपाक सोदना. तेणें स्पश्ट सांगलां बिकॉज इट इज अंडर स्क्रुटनी ऑफ द कोर्ट्स. आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू सफर बिकॉज आय डोंट वॉन्ट एनी ब्लॅक डॉट ऑन
So
माय
you all have no
कॅरियर.
issue in removing the notice for election.
Absolutely not. What is our interest? In fact, I am telling them do it as soon as possible.
पूण same
But
पंचायतीचे
now
issue
in
असता
between-
तेन्ना.
now in between तीन हॉलिडे येयले न्हू.
अंडर स्कॅनर
तीन हॉलिडे येयले ना तो जावपाक
But how
शकना.
could your director or department take and see that बाबा ह्या सायडीच्या ते ऑफरी दिता.
हॉर्स ट्रेडिंग चालू आहा म्हणून तुळशीदासान आरोप लायला.
That is all bullshit. As they have formed the group, it will be formed. Then that will be an answer to them. They mean to say their people are up for sale, to say that there is horse trading. What they are talking of? That means they have no confidence in themselves and their own people. कितें
पण
उलोवप?
मांग बाब-
आजकाल कितें जालां उलोवपा जाय म्हूण कितेंय उलयता अशें जालां.
सेम पंचायतीन परत परत असो इश्यू जाता सेम पंचायतीचेर.
Don't forget that it is one of the largest panchayats in Goa. Don't forget it is, I think, the second largest, richest panchayat after Kalangut. So obviously everybody has some interest. Government has no interest absolutely.
बोलतेच कोत्ता तुका त्रास भोगचे
पयशा
पडटा.
भानगडी बी जाता म्हणटा तुमी रिचेस्ट
बोलतेच
म्हणटा.
कोत्ता कितें आनी तुमकां त्रास भोगचे
हे कितले
पडटा.
फाटी जाला म्हाका. I take it in my
Corruption.
stride. I have no problem facing it. Understood? No? When your conscience is clean, you are not in anything. Why should I feel anything? That's the
सो
whole thing.
करप्शन बी इन्वॉल्व आसा काय म्हणून पंचायतीन जेन्ना पयशा भानगडी.
म्हाका खबर ना बाबा.
Richest
आतां-
म्हणटा न्ही
आतां-
तुमी.
आतां तेणे रिपोर्ट दितकूच आमकां गमतलें आनी हांव आनीकूय कितें कितें पब्लीक करपा जाय जाल्यार योग्य वेळार हांव करतलो. लेट मी गेट अ प्रॉपर रिपोर्ट न्हू. अर्दे कुठे म्हाका सांगनाका. आतां तुमी डेट काडा तशें जायना.
आमी डेट काडा म्हणूंक ना
हा.
सर. आमी चालना तुमकां. आमी डेट काडा.
तुमकां येवन सांगता तुमकां मेळटा आनी तुमी वचून मागीर
Directorate of
आमचे
पंचायतीक
डायरेक्टराचे पावन्स जाता बाकी ऑफिसरांचे तुमी पावन्स जाता.
कारण लोकांची कामां उरता म्हणटा न्ही ते म्हणून.
एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन डज नॉट फंक्शन लायक दिस.
पूण वन सायडेड करूं मेळना न्ही
Nobody
सर
can work under
दोगांचे.
pressure and this thing should not happen.
The voice for Koi.